What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the charging port on a Galaxy S10. This one's a little bit difficult and I'm going to go ahead and do from the beginning to end, which is I'm going to take it apart from scratch. As you can see, the charging port on here is, well, you can't see, my microscope camera is not working guys, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys on the scope, but there's this charging port is burnt. So stay tuned, watch it, and like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can see when I go live or when I post a brand new video. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Let's get our blade, let's get our thin pick, and let's get our heat gun. Let's go ahead and apply some heat to this. Let me put on my glove real quick. So we got to take the motherboard out on this one and then replace it with the new charging port. We're going to use hot air to replace this one. Here we go. All right, wish me luck, guys. All right, let's hope that's enough heat. Let's go ahead and start from the bottom as always. All right, please don't break on me because I don't have a spare back. I need a better pick, guys. This one's old already. Okay, but I got it in there. Get rid of the blade. Here we go. Careful with those corners right here, man. That's what usually breaks. That's why you guys need these really flimsy picks. I believe they're 0.38 or 0.37. Alright, so we got that part. Let me go ahead and heat it up a little bit more. Okay. Here we go. Go all around it. Please don't crack on me. We're doing so good. This little corner right here. And go around to the other side. There we go. I almost got it, guys. I almost got it. Okay. Let's just go ahead and apply some heat. At the same time, I'll be lifting it with my fingers. There you go, that's enough. Alright. I broke my finger. Alright, we can reuse that adhesive. Put that to the side. There's our new charging ports right there. Let's go ahead and start taking off the screws. Okay, so let's take this off. Let's try to take it off as a whole. There it is, came out as a whole. Okay, now this guys right here, this is your wireless charging pad. on any Samsung with this pad right here, if these are not touching the pins right here, you're gonna get this temperature symbol, like it's too hot or too cold, and it won't charge. So you'll have to make sure that these are touching. Sometimes these are torn, so you got to replace it. Okay. All right. So here's the motherboard. Let's unplug the battery. See if there's any screws for the board, and yeah, there's one right here. I don't want to mix these up at all, so put these up there. Any other screws for the motherboard? Here's the LCD connector. Let's unplug it. Okay. Try to get it right there. I would have done it from here straight, but I did it on the corner. It's always better to get a corner and do it. Otherwise you could slip and it's gonna slap. Alright, so we've got the audio port connector right here. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect that. I get some more light going. Right there. And we have these two charging port motherboard screws. So let's get those out of the way. I'm putting them in line up there, see? Okay. Come on, charging port, be easy on me, okay? Samsung's been making it a little bit more difficult. It used to be you could just replace the port, you know, like this. You can just replace the whole charging port and it's not soldered onto the board, but now they've changed it. Alright, so let's see if it has a SIM card tray. Yeah, it's installed. And has a SIM card still on there. AT&T, okay. Gotta take that SIM tray out because it's holding the motherboard into the frame, okay? So let's see. Get this camera unplugged. You can take it out if you'd like. Alright. Let's see. Let's wiggle this a little bit. Alright, looks like this is almost out. Looks like it's stuck here somewhere. Is there glue or something? Or is there another screw? Looks like it's just stuck with the audio. Let's see if we can get this out first. Let's heat it up a little bit. Let's see if it'll come out. There it is. It goes like this. Alright, don't forget the way it goes. So it looks like it was stuck on that flex. Yep, sure enough. Alright guys, here's the motherboard. Let's put our phone to the side. And wish me luck. You see the charging port? See how burnt it is right there? Horrible. See? Okay. So first things first, let's get our video going good. I'm gonna actually use this here because I'm gonna hit it from the bottom. Excuse my PJs. Alright, so we're here. I'm gonna put I'm actually gonna put should I put some weight on here? Yeah, I'm gonna put some weight so it's not moving around. So you see this right here? It's pretty heavy. So alright, so we're gonna want to get some flux. Okay, because we're gonna put some flux right here. Alright, get my fume extractor. Okay, turn that sucker on. Right, so I'm gonna get my tweezers. Get my hot air. I'm gonna put my hot air probably right around like 385 and then maybe like 50 air. Alright, there it is, guys. And I'm just gonna tin those pads. I am gonna use a microscope for that. So if you'd excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and change this back. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna clean these pads. Man, I wish I could show you guys on the scope. Here, let me try it one time, alright? Alright guys, so excuse the video, okay? I'm gonna try to show you guys the process of tinning this right here. So I'm basically going to add more flux. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my solder gun, my solder iron, and I need some solder wick. Ready guys? So we're gonna go ahead and do this and do this. Clean them all up. I could probably hit it from, let me see, from behind a little bit, so I can make sure I get all that unleaded solder out so that our charging port can sit in there nicely, okay? I don't know if you guys can still hear me, but I hope you can. Alright, come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. That should be good. Get this side a little bit. There it is. That one looks nice. Let's get the other one. With the same idea. There you go. There you go. Come on. Get it all out. There you go. That's good, guys. Okay. I need to get me a way better camera, guys. Alright, so here we go. Clean our tip. Some flux. And we're going to tin those pads with a clean tip and some solder, okay? And we're gonna want to add a little bit of solder on there. Now this is leaded solder, so it burns a little bit better. Basically just tin those pads and right now we're going to go and clean it with a Q-tip and some alcohol. Alright guys, here it is. Let's see if they're nice and juicy. Yeah, I'd say they're good. Oops, one thing I forgot to do is to tin this up here. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this little insertion hole because it had a little bit too much solder on it, so I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're cleaning the area again with some alcohol and Q-tip so we can get it ready to lay the new charging port over. There we go. Get the new, so I'm gonna put a little bit of flux on the new charging port. Okay. Alright, and let's put some flux on here as well. Okay guys, here we go. So we're gonna put this on there like that. And we're gonna try to line up these holes, okay? We're gonna try to line up those holes right there. You see how you can still see the green kind of? So let's push it a little bit up. Okay, so I'm just going to hold the charging port with my tweezers as I blow from the bottom with the hot air. You can see the flux bubbling. We're going to go ahead and maintain the position on our tweezers here. Once it's nice and flush to the board, we're going to let go of the hot air. We're going to remove the hot air and hold our tweezers there until we feel that the solder has dried or solidified already. guys. That looks to be pretty on there. And that looks soldered to me as well. Yep. And everything looks pretty nice and flush. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the fume extractor. Give it a final cleaning with some alcohol and a toothbrush. Okay. There it is. So those holes are pretty aligned too. You see, those are the ones that we were concerned about. Let's go ahead and put this back together and see. We'll see how it went, guys. Alright, so let's get our frame. And let's put this back on here. Make sure all the cables, like the LCD connector, we get it out of the way, the battery connector out of the way. Check for any of the connectors up there, and there's nothing. Okay, put this on there, battery out of the way. Oops, charging port goes in first, goes like that. Alright. Okay, make sure this goes in there nicely. There you go. And there it is. Watch those cameras. Okay, are we missing a flex somewhere or what? What's going on here? Let's just plug in the LCD real quick. Alright. There's something we're missing here or what? No, it looks good. Alright, there it is. Let's plug in the audio. Alright. Let's plug in this front camera. Okay. Now let's leave it like this. Let's not put everything back yet. Actually, we can. Let's just plug in the battery. All right. And I'm gonna kind of. So there's nothing going on here right now. I'm gonna plug in our charging port and hope that we get an image. There it is, guys. It's charging. I'm looking at my ammeter and it's charging at 100% except for this little temperature thing. So let's go ahead and unplug it. Let's go ahead and put in our screws already. Might as well put in back all our screws. Okay, that one goes here for the charging port. Then the one on the left. Then the one for the audio port. Alright, and I think we had one up here somewhere. Where did I put that one, guys? Where are you? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go, guys. This is where we can mess up. You see that? That one didn't need a screw in there. So let's hope I didn't go through the screen. This one goes up here. I don't think it went through the screen, guys, but that is really dangerous. Let me plug it in real quick and find out. Oh no, please, 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 please. No, we're good. You would have seen a mark right here. Alright, that was scary. But notice, look, I don't have this thing on. So it's giving me that temperature thing I was telling you about. So, let's put everything back. We already put the motherboard screws back on. So now we gotta put this. Okay, SIM card back in real quick, and let's plug it in real quick and watch it charge. Beautiful. Let's let it charge. Yep, 42% people. And let's turn it on real quick. Samsung Galaxy S10, charging at its full potential. It's at 1.45, 1.61, 1.35, 1.50. So it's really up there. It is drawing the amps that it should. And this thing is ready to go. This is a 5G one. See it charging 42%. Well, let's finish this video properly. Make sure that the camera lenses are not dirty. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna heat up around the edges. So we can get that adhesive melty again. And we're gonna slap it right on there, making sure that there was no dirt in between from the camera and the lens. It's nice and hot. There it is. All around the edges right here.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
Okay. And then just one more time for celebration's sake. Here we go. Bam.
You made this mess and left me with the.
So this, guys, is how you change the charging port on a Samsung Galaxy S10. You know, that's the old one. I'll send it to the customer so they can save it as a memory. If you guys want to learn how to open a cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. If you guys already have a cell phone repair shop and you want to learn how to unlock phones, or if you want to know where to get parts at a better deal, better quality, get the curriculum still. Go to the same 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. And it's only $39.99, guys, and you will be part of a big group now where we share ideas, we help each other out, literally 24/7, guys. I'm constantly helping people there, and there's a lot of group members who help each other out as well. So I've learned a lot from the group myself. I can't thank you guys enough. Please like, subscribe, share this video, turn on your notifications, because I will be going live more often, answering all these questions that you guys have and have been sending me through Instagram and through email. So please turn on your notifications. I hope you really like this video. If you guys are interested in buying the laser machine for the iPhone back glass and engraving, You guys can also buy it on my website. You can text me first at area code 951-399-7911, and we can talk about the different pricing, the different payment plans, the different discounts I can give you guys for the laser machine. So, alright, I'll see you guys on the next video.